In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make a bar graph in Excel. By the end, you'll know exactly how to turn a simple table of numbers into a clear, professional-looking bar chart that's easy to read and share. Start by opening Excel. If you already have your workbook ready, navigate to the sheet that contains the data you want to visualize. Bar charts work best when you have categories, like departments or products, paired with numeric values such as totals or counts. Make sure your data is arranged in a neat, rectangular table with a header row. Including those headers helps Excel automatically label your chart, which saves time and prevents confusion later. Next, select the entire table range. Click and drag from the top left cell to the bottom right cell so that you capture all relevant columns and rows. If your data is continuous, you can also select any cell inside the table and use your preferred selection shortcut to grab the full range. Avoid extra blank rows or stray text, since those can create gaps or unexpected labels in the chart. With your data selected, go to the Insert tab at the top of Excel. In the Charts section, click the icon for Bar Chart. In Excel, a bar chart displays horizontal bars, which can make long category names easier to read. If you see multiple options, that's expected. You'll typically find clustered bar, stacked bar, and 100% stacked bar. Clustered is great for comparing values across categories side by side. Stacked shows how parts contribute to a total, while still letting you compare totals. 100% stacked focuses on proportions, showing how each category breaks down as a percentage. Choose the bar chart type that fits your goal, and Excel will place the chart on your sheet. You should immediately see your categories on the vertical axis and your values extending horizontally. If something looks off, double check that your selection included the correct headers and numeric columns. Now it's time to refine the look using the design options. With the chart selected, use the style choices to apply a clean, consistent design. Chart styles offer coordinated colors, backgrounds, and layouts that improve readability in one click. You can also choose an overall layout that positions the legend, titles, and data visuals in a balanced way. Pick a color palette that contrasts well with your sheet background and keeps the bars easy to distinguish, especially if you have multiple series. Aim for clarity, minimize clutter, keep text legible, and make sure the most important comparisons stand out. That's it. Your bar graph is ready to present, share, or print.